Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color fruits. Let's start drawing first. I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then, I'll divide it into 6 small squares. Let's draw strawberry. Then I draw a cute face like this. I draw 2 cute eyes and a smiling mouth with the tongue sticking out. Hey! Amazing! I draw a banana. Then I draw a cute face like this. I love my pen. Let's draw an apple. I draw 2 close eyes and mouth wide open. A slice of watermelon. I draw 2 cute eyes winking and a smiling mouth. Pineapple. And I draw 2 cute eyes again. Then a smiling mouth wide open. I love my pen. I draw a cherry with 4 eyes and a smiling mouth. Awesome! Great job! Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I use green for its stem. I use red for the strawberry. I love my pen. Pink for tongue. I use yellow for the banana. I love my pen. I use 2 shades of pink for its mouth and cheeks. I use red for the apple. Brown for its stem and green for its leaf. Pink. I color the watermelon with this red. And for the melon peel I use 2 shades of green. For the peel of the pineapple I use yellow. And for the leaves of the pineapple I used some green tones. I used pink marker for its mouth. For the cherries I used this red marker. Excellent! Its stem is going to be brown, and I use green for the leaf. I use pink for their cheeks. Now let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Light green, light red, yellow, orange, light blue, purple, good job! Yippee! If you like this video, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.